I wish I started that movie a few minutes ago. So here's the thing. I've made this board for a customer, but I try to paint the foam and not pigments like I do usually, like this board and this board with the resin, which turns out better. So I did this nice fade, but it has a lot of imperfections over here, over here, over here, from the process. So I don't want to deliver the board this way. So I came out with a way to make it even nicer. I'm going to try to do for the first time flames on the board using a white matte color, which should look amazing. So I started that side, and now I'm gonna video the other side because I want you guys to see how I'm doing that. Not an easy job, and I hope the outcome is gonna look nice. Okay, so this side is done as well. It's very hard to turn the tape this way, but I think it's gonna look awesome. Okay, now I have a whole of a lot more taping to do with a wider tape. Everything should be covered very good because, as you know, the spray paint goes everywhere that's not covered. So let's go. Okay, bottom side is now taped. All of this work just to make sure the rail is gonna be good, and then a little bit of flames here on the top. Okay, now the other side. Four hours of taping. 4. My fingers dead. All for 2 minutes of spray paint. 4 hours of taping for 2 minutes or 3 minutes of spray paint that I'm going to do very soon. White spray paint, matte. I'm gonna go over all the small details just to make sure everything is covered. So wish me good luck. I think it's gonna be sick, but let's see. So obviously I forgot to hit the play button and record the spray. But here is the result. So I try to go over slowly and consistent, not to stay at one spot too long, so we'll have nice even spread. I'm going to give it a few minutes to settle down, and then I'm going to go with a lighter coat just to make sure that everything looks the same. And then we're going to go to the fun part, peeling off. Okay, let the fun part begin. Hope it turned out all right. Let's check it out. Okay. Wow, just wow. I love it. I absolutely love it. Look at that nose. Out of the entire board, I made one tiny mistake over here. So I'm going to have to take it off with a thinner or acetone. We'll see. Look at that board, guys. Couldn't be happier. Okay, now I'm going to sand the surface with a 600 grit water paper, just really fine, just to get rid of this ridge here. And then when I have a smooth surface, I'm going to hit it with some clear coat, and this one's going to be done. Let me know in the comments what you think, guys, down below. It's really important. Okay, this is perfect. Now when you run your hand, you can almost feel nothing. As you can see, it doesn't damage the paint at all, because this is very fine grit paper. Now we're going to hit it with clear coat, and this baby is going to be done. I'm just delivering this board to the client. I forgot to do the video in my workshop, so I'm doing it over here. So it turned out absolutely amazing. I love this artwork we did. Absolutely crazy. No need to say, the guy is extremely happy. And also he has waves tomorrow, so we'll see how this board works out. Let me know in the comments what you think about this flames, the retro flames, and if you like it. Okay guys, see you in the next video.